Hello everyone, welcome to Global Online Trainings. Today we are going to discuss about ODI training at Global Online Trainings. If you want to register for this course, please email us at info@globalonlinetrainings.com, or you can catch up us on Skype at global.onlinetrainings, or you can call us at +914060501418. Before going in detail about this course, let's have an overview or a look over the Global Online Trainings. To give an overview, Global Online Trainings is a leading training service corporation specialization in providing online trainings and corporate trainings to individuals and enterprises. Our high quality, competitive and effective training services makes us the best in this field. Our professional team carries an excellent instructional experience through many years and understand the complexity of technologies and methods of training delivery. We provide the training with the subject matter experts who has a good experience in their primary skills in all technologies for online trainings and corporate trainings. We provide trainings for below technologies such as SAP All Modules, Oracle Modules, SAS Modules, IBM Tools, Middleware Tools and Microsoft Application, as well as web technologies and other technologies. Let us have a discussion regarding an ODI training introduction. The ODI online training covers an advanced method for using the Oracle Data Integrator 11G ODI by availing the online training from the Global Online Trainings. Participants will learn the process to implement a high performance movement and conversions of data administered for the different platforms. The entire course is coordinated by the best subject matter experts, and the course tutorials are made with the latest industry updates. ODI training stands for Oracle Data Integrator, where ODI online training is rendered by the good subject matter experts, and the tutorials prepared by these expert industry aligned tutors are made with the latest industry updates. Classes are available for the individuals as well as for the corporate batches on demand. Call the help desk for more information for online ODI trainings and its details. Now let us have an overview regarding this ODI, Oracle Data Integration. This training employs the unique abstract load and transform the technologies that improve the performance and reduce the data integration supports heterogeneous sources. Active integration enables our data warehouses and operational data hubs, maximize the developer productivity and minimize the implementation time through declarative design. It allows the ELT architecture to increase performance and decrease TCO. Metadata Navigator is a servlet applications enables the access to the repository through a web interface. Advanced encryption standards can be used for encrypting the knowledge. Oracle ODI training teaches how to discover a modulator repository, then can be installed on the database engine, support ANCI ISO 89 syntax. ODI online training, which encompasses of all XML drives, enhancement, FIPS compliance and packages. The key features of this course is planning and relevant interactions with the student, emphasis on learning objectives and implementation in real-time scenarios, help to leverage the technology. Instructors lead personalizing the virtual training, accelerate the learning approach and focused on exposing the path of the skills of every student by delivering the aligned live project support. Now let us focus on the prerequisites for ODI online training. The basic knowledge of ELT data processing is must, and let us have a focus on the course objectives. The course objectives are: describe Oracle Data Integrative Model concepts, describe the architecture of Oracle Data 11G application with an ODI topology concepts for the data integration, design ODI interface, produces packages and loads. Plans to perform ELT data transformation, explore audit data and enforces the data structures with ODI. Administrator ODI resources and set up security with an ODI, implement the change data capture with ODI, use ODI web services and performs an integration of ODI with an SOA. And now let us look on the course content which we are going to cover in this complete ODI training. First, let us discuss what is an Oracle Data Integrated and why is Oracle Data Integrated came into existence with its ODI 11G architecture along with its components about the graphical models and the types of ODI agents and overview of Oracle Data Integrator respiratories. Next comes is Curriculum Module Administration, ODI respiratories and agents. Here we undergo with administrating the ODI respiratory, creating the respiratory storage spaces, creating and connecting to the master respiratory along with the work respiratory, and managing ODI agents and creating a physical agent, launching a listener, scheduler, and a web agent explaining of the load balancing. Curriculum module ODI training topology concepts, an overview of ODI topology about the data services and physical schemas, defining the physical architecture, logical architecture, and mapping the logical with the physical resources when defining the agent's topology and planning the topology. Curriculum model describes the physical and the logical architecture. An overview of the topology navigator, creating the physical architectures and creating the data server, testing the data server connection and connecting the physical schema, creating the logical architecture and the overview of logical architecture and the content views, linking the logical and the physical architecture. Curriculum models set up a new ODI project such as overview of ODI projects and creating a new project using the folders, organizing the products in the folders, understanding the knowledge model, enhancing on ODI objects, exporting and importing the objects using the markers. And a curriculum module ODI training and a model concept, in which we are going to cover what is a model, understanding the metadata in the ODI, understanding the reverse engineering, and creating organizing models and creating the data stores using the constraints in ODI and creating keys and references. Curriculum model organization, ODI models, and create and data resources, and this will understand what is an interface, mapping, join, filter, constraints, and the tagging area, and how to create a business interface using the business rules for the interfaces. Now, next here we go with the curriculum module ODI interface concepts. Here we deal with what is an interface is. Along with this, business rule for the interface and what is a mapping, a filter, and a join. Overview of integration process, what is a tagging area about the execution location and using the knowledge modules came with an ODI interface. Creating the basic interface. The curriculum model designing interfaces, designing an interface, multiple source data stores, creating joins, filtering data, visible transformation, overview of the flow, specifying the staging area, and selecting the knowledge modules. Curriculum model interfaces, monitoring and debugging. Monitor interfaces using operators, a view session and task, how to monitor execution of an interface and how to troubleshoot a session. Keys to review the generated code or working with an errors and tip for preventing the errors. Next comes the curriculum model using ODI training procedures. Here we deals with what is a procedure and examples of the procedure, creating, adding commands, adding the options, running a procedure, using an operator to the view results. Curriculum model using ODI packages. Here we undergo with the what is a package, creating a package, executing a package, and creating advanced packages, handling, controlling an execution path, and creating a role using the advanced labs. Here, the next comes is a curriculum model managing ODI training scenarios and the versions. Here deal with what is a merger and how to manage the scenarios, preparing scenarios for the development and automated scenarios management, scheduling the OI scenarios and overview of ODI version management, using a version browser and a version comparison tool, handling concurrent changes. Curriculum model using the web services in ODI are web services in action. You're using the data services and setting up the data services, testing the data services, installing the public web services, using public web services and invoking the web services too. Coming to the training outline, the course name is an Oracle Data Integrator Online Training course. Coming to the duration of the course is for 35 hours to 40 hours, and the mode of training is completely and purely online and corporate trainings. Coming to the timings are according to the one's feasibility, as the main motto of the online trainings is to provide the training only in the non-office timings of focusing on to one's time feasibility. System access will be provided, and any issues regarding the server will be solved in just a couple of hours. And next comes here the batch type. The batch types are three: regular, weekends, and fast type. The regulars focusing on the duration of the course. If 1 hour per day, then it will take 35 days to complete the course. Coming to the weekends, we do provide weekend sessions on Saturdays and Sundays, focusing 3 hours on Saturdays and 3 hours on Sundays. Then it goes up to 4 to 5 weekends to complete this course. And the last but not the least, the fast track. A fast track is very much useful for the working consultants, as they want to upgrade skill in a very short span of time, can go for this to learn an Oracle Data Integration training in a very short span of time. And the trainers will get the soft copies and the trainees will get the soft copy materials in the form of PDF, PPTs, or any Word document. And the session will be conducted through WebEx, GoToMeeting, or Skype. I know you are well understood by Skype, but you have some problem regarding WebEx and GoToMeeting. At the time, my training coordinators will help you out in logging in for the WebEx and the GoToMeeting once you get registered for this course. And the basic requirements are good internet speed and a headset. Good internet speeds will help you out to clear the sessions without any interruption, and the headset will help you out to listen and clear your queries with my consultant easily by communicating with him directly. Before winding up the session or ending up the session, I would like to show you the landing page for this SAP ODI Oracle's. Here is a landing page for Oracle ODI Online Training. Here you find an ODI introduction along with the training overview, prerequisites, and along with a few objectives and the course content which I have mentioned in the PPT, and everything the information whatever I have mentioned in the PPTs is in this landing page. To go to this landing page, you just need to give the URL in your web browser like www.global.onlinetrainings.com/ODI training/. I think you are left with a query how to register for this course. It's a very simple process. You just have to click on the option called request a demo on the menu option. As soon as you click on this option, you will be finding a contact page where you need to fill the details like your name, email, number, country, and codes. After that, you just click on the send option. Or else you can directly leave a message for us by providing your name, email, location, mobile number, and the subjects and messages that with your exact requirement, and just click on send option. Or else you can directly call us on the below provided numbers at the top of the web page, that is +9140506050, and respective USA and UK numbers too. Now let us have a look on the advantages for enrolling with the Global Online Trainings. We are the best ODI training providers. We will give you the assurance for the backup sessions. The timings will be according to the candidate's feasibility. As our trainers are the real-time experts, they will help you in giving the training at a very high level for the real-time projects. Our consultants will help you in preparing the resumes and certifications. Global team will be switched on mode for 24/7 and will solve any issues regarding the training or timings of trainer or server. We are ready to solve any issues within no time. Thank you, and please reach us on www.global.onlinetrainings.com at odi/training.com. You can, by entering this URL, you can directly reach to our website. Thank you so much. Have a nice